Is the Mortal Kombat movie delayed? Relax and don't worry. Hi everyone, this is SBNEnter, back with another video. So many fans of the upcoming Mortal Kombat movie were seriously worried, and all because the release of the live-action adaptation of the popular video game is delayed by a week. The Mortal Kombat movie from Warner Bros. Was originally scheduled for April 16th, but it will be released in theaters and HBO Max on April 23rd instead. This decision came the day before Warner Bros. Godzilla vs. Kong was released in the United States. Film experts are optimistic about this Godzilla vs. Kong, which has already got a good profits in the first week of distribution. Godzilla vs. Kong has grossed $123 million overseas, including a $70 million debut on opening weekend. And for the release of Mortal Kombat, the studio wants to eliminate potential blockbusters, even its own, to avoid low ticket sales. So the reason is the short amount of time between the release of Godzilla vs. Kong and Mortal Kombat, and it would allow Godzilla vs. Kong to spend more time at the box office. So it makes sense. Warner Bros. Also expects the capacity restrictions across the country will be lifted in the coming weeks. The studio still has high hopes for in-person ticket sales. Previously, Los Angeles County, which is one of the most popular film markets in the United States, moved to Orange State level, which allows theaters to increase the capacity up to 50% or up to 200 people. The studio hopes that the situation will normalize. Well, it's only been a week. You can wait. Moreover, there's a reason for this. The studios are worried about the box office, and if it's possible to prevent low sales, then why not? It's a business after all, so don't worry. It's not the year-long delay, just wait 7 days. But if there are further delays, then we'll see. Let's not guess. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!